Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into an epic showdown between two leading action cameras, the GoPro HERO12 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 3. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a vlogger, or someone who loves capturing every moment in stunning detail, these cameras have something for you. We'll be comparing their design, camera performance, stabilization features, and more to help you choose the perfect action camera for your next adventure. For more details on these cameras, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Starting with design, both cameras have that classic action cam look. The GoPro HERO12 Black maintains its rugged, compact build, waterproof and shockproof as always. Not much has changed from the HERO11, but the subtle blue accents and 12 on the side are new touches. Accessories from previous GoPro models still fit, so no need for new gear. The DJI Osmo Action 3, meanwhile, returns to a more traditional design. It's slightly lighter than the GoPro, but just as durable, with a metal frame and Gorilla Glass lens cover. It's waterproof up to 16 feet without a case, and even deeper with one. A standout feature is its front touchscreen, which makes vlogging and framing shots much easier. Now let's talk about camera performance. The DJI Osmo Action 3 has a 1 by 1.7-inch sensor that shoots 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. While it doesn't reach the 5.3K resolution of the GoPro, it still delivers crisp and vibrant video, especially in good lighting. The 13mm wide-angle lens offers a broad field of view, ideal for capturing wide landscapes or action shots. The GoPro HERO12, on the other hand, Black continues with the 8:7 aspect ratio sensor and GP2 processor from the HERO11. It shoots up to 5.3K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, giving you sharp, high-resolution footage. The big upgrade here is the improved battery life and heat management, allowing for longer recording sessions. Plus, with 10-bit log video support, you get more flexibility in editing. When it comes to stabilization, both cameras shine. The DJI Osmo Action 3 uses rock-steady stabilization, which works well in most situations. It also has horizon leveling, keeping the horizon steady even when the camera tilts up to 45 degrees. This feature is great for fast-moving scenes, though it's limited to 60 frames per second. The GoPro HERO12 Black enhances its top-tier hyper-smooth stabilization with Auto Boost, which smartly adjusts the crop for steady footage. It also boasts longer battery life due to improved heat management, ideal for extended shoots without overheating concerns. The DJI Osmo Action 3 also has solid battery life, with about 160 minutes of 4K 60 recording on a single charge. It handles heat well too, so you can keep recording even in tough conditions. And with DJI's Adventure Kit, you get 3 batteries and a charging case, ensuring you're always ready to go. Finally, let's talk price. The GoPro HERO12 Black ranges from $399 to $499, depending on the bundle. It's more expensive, but you get top-notch stabilization, 5.3K resolution, and extended battery life. The DJI Osmo Action 3, priced around $329, is a more budget-friendly option. While it doesn't offer 5.3K resolution, it still packs great features like a front touchscreen and solid stabilization, making it an excellent value. So, which action camera should you choose? If you're seeking a capable, cost-effective action camera that still delivers impressive performance, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is an excellent alternative. It provides solid features and reliability at a more affordable price point, making it a great choice for those who want a quality action camera without breaking the bank. On the other hand, if you prioritize the highest resolution and cutting-edge features and don't mind investing a bit more, the GoPro HERO12 Black is the clear choice. Its advanced stabilization with Auto Boost, superior heat management for longer battery life, and overall premium build make it the top option for serious enthusiasts and professionals alike. Ultimately, your decision should hinge on your budget and specific needs, but both models offer great value in their respective categories. And this is the comparison between DJI Osmo Action 3 and GoPro HERO12 Black. If you want more information about these cameras, you will find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.